Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I will share with you on how to fix Instagram instant video feature not showing. Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure you have an updated Instagram app. To do that, you just have to go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. So if yours is not updated, you're going to see update option that you just have to click on it and update it. The next step you can take is to go out from the app. Now search for Instagram, click steadily on the app, click on app info. So here you have to click on storage and cache and clear your cache. Next thing you can do is to make sure you have a good network connection. You can switch from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi or from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. You can also turn on the airplane for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you turn it off. It will help to free up the glitches in the app and on the phone. The next thing you can do is to restart your phone. To do that, you just have to click on the power button steadily, click on the restart option, confirm you want to restart your phone, and restart your phone. So guys, I believe with this is going to solve your Instagram instant video feature not showing. To be sure of that, you can go to your chat option. So if you do not get the instant feature right here, you know that it has not rolled to your region yet. You just have to be patient. If this video is helpful,